Kiumia kimwe thutha wa gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Mike Sonko ekiranire ngirimiti ya guthamia mawira na mahinya mamwe kuma kuri thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi nginya kuri thirikari nene. Na mihango ya gukinyaniria undu uyu no ithite na mbere gutabanio ikiro-ini itiganite ari igiri-ini ria gukinyaniria mutaratara uyu ihinda-ini ria thiku 21 iri heanitwo. Muthe spika wa bunge ya kaunti ya Nairobi Beatrice Elachi ni akuruhanetie gavana Sonko na kugeria guthararia gukinyanira kwa uthamio uyu wa mahinya. Ona thengia wa gukorwo niwe wekirire kirore ngirimiti ino.
So I would want to plead with the executive and my governor that let us hold on all the matters that we are doing. Let us appreciate the goodwill of the president and let us work within the 21 days for the president first and him himself. It's for the goodwill of Sonko also to see Nairobi move to the next level.
Kuringana na Elachi, itua ria Sonko guthii igoti-ini gubiga mutaratara wa kumuhogora bunge-ini wari mugaro na wendi wa President Kenyatta. Kuona ni arikitie kuiguithania na MCAs makorwo magitianiria mutaratara uyu. No kwa ihinda riri no nginya meterere uria igoti rikuga kuringana na mutaratara uyu.
You cannot sabotage again the process of the president, which you have agreed in goodwill. And he has looked and realized, Nairobi, globally, I'm ranking badly. I'm going down. The UN is complaining. All the big embassies are saying, look, we are about to just leave Nairobi, go to Ethiopia, go where PTA Bank went to Ethiopia because of all this. We lost people who would have gotten jobs. You know, we lost a bad opportunity in that as Nairobi.
Iguru ria uguo Elachi ni akuruhanetie giko kiria kirarokire gwitwo taoni-ini ya Nairobi kiroko kia ira na gukorwo giititwo ni aruna hakuhi ya gavana Sonko. Ari igiri-ini ria kwagira kiene kamiti iria itanyitwo kumbwo gutongoria Nairobi kuringana na ngirimiti.
You have already signed a transfer deed. You are within a period of 21 days where you, both of you, can't do anything but to look at the process first. And so anything he's doing within that is illegal. I've also seen today, they've put in the papers, they've said young people to go to Kasarani, and they need to relook at it because we already have young people who are taken through an interview in Kasarani. How do you now deal with those?
Elachi aretio hindi ya kurugurio kwa mihango ya ungania wa mawoni ma muingi megie uthamio wa mahinya kuma kuri kaunti nginya thirikari nene. Kuria utabaneirio icigo-ini itiganite cia Nairobi muingi ukiruta mawoni mao ngurani.
To the MCAs and the ward admins, will it be a song like we don't have answers. We are waiting for the CS to tell us what to do. And then when you go to the ministry, they will be telling you, your MCA has the answer. Where are we now? We don't know where we are. And we don't know what is going on. And we don't know what will happen.
Tunapatia national government hili jambo ambalo tunajua sasa itaenda katika bunge kuu. Na wabunge wetu kama vile tumevyozoea kuwaona right now wameanza mambo yao ya siasa ya 2022 na mambo ya BBI. Sasa ninashindwa jambo letu la county litakuwa lipi ama tutakuwa wapi.
Mutaratara uyu wa gukinyaniria ngirimiti ino utanyitwo kwa ihinda ria thiku 21 kuma riria yekiranirwo kirore. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitoko Mwaura, Wagunya.